Hello and welcome back. It's December 22 and we're really getting close now to finishing our Christmas quilt-along with our partridge in a pear tree. How you been going? I've had some awesome feedback and a few people sending me some photos of their work so far. Some people have painted it with their Lumiere paints on black. Some have used ink tints. Some are just going for the awesome quilting designs. But now we have to tackle this tree. And so I'd like to do something that sort of implies a wood grain kind of pattern. And we've got a few options for that. We can come in here and make elongated spirals that imply wood grain. We can even come in and just do a wibbledy-wobbledy elongated stipple that kind of crosses over each other every now and then, and that sort of implies the grain of the wood as well. I think I'm going to go with this one. I guess the most important thing here is to try and make sure that the direction of your patterning does go with the curve of those branches. I'm going to jump all the way over here and continue on down. And while I've got some space down here, I might show you that first design that I did suggest with the spirals in amongst the wood grain. Kind of makes it look like the knots in a tree trunk in the grain of the bark. So I'm going to come along and do a spiral, but it's going to be a very elongated, exaggerated spiral, still going in that general flow of the bark. So I think that worked quite well to combine the two patterns. Sometimes when a space is small, it's all too hard to try and get too fancy. So we've kept it simple up there in the smaller areas and then a bit more elaborate down here. But the important thing is that it all still flows. And I think we have really captured the texture of a tree there. Excellent. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye.